What if you could enjoy the benefits of the keto diet without feeling hungry all the time? Many people struggle with traditional keto because they don't get enough protein, leaving them feeling weak and unsatisfied. But there's good news. A high-protein keto diet can help you build muscle, burn fat, and stay energized, all while keeping you in ketosis. The key is balancing your macros correctly so you can achieve optimal results without compromising your progress. Understanding the high-protein keto diet. A standard keto diet typically focuses on high fat, moderate protein, and very low carbs. But some people, especially those who are active or looking to build muscle, may benefit from increasing their protein intake. The high-protein keto approach shifts the macronutrient balance slightly by increasing protein while maintaining low-carb intake. Why increase protein on keto? Protein plays a vital role in muscle repair, metabolism, and satiety. If you're following a low-carb lifestyle but find yourself lacking energy or struggling with muscle loss, a higher protein intake can help. Here's why: muscle preservation and growth. A higher protein intake helps maintain lean muscle mass, especially for those who work out regularly. Increased satiety. Protein is more filling than fat, reducing cravings and keeping you full longer. Metabolism boost. Your body burns more calories digesting protein than it does with fat or carbs. Better weight loss results. More protein can help prevent muscle loss while still promoting fat loss. Balancing macros for a high-protein keto diet. The key to making this work is adjusting your macronutrients carefully. While a standard keto diet consists of about 70 to 75% fat, 20 to 25% protein, and 5 to 10% carbs, a high-protein keto approach modifies those ratios. Fat: 60-65% protein, 30-35% carbs, 5-10%. This small shift allows you to increase protein without throwing yourself out of ketosis. The trick is keeping carbs low while ensuring your body still relies on fat for energy. Best high-protein keto foods. If you're ready to try a high-protein keto diet, focus on these nutrient-dense, low-carb protein sources. Lean meats: chicken, turkey, lean beef, fatty fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel, eggs, cottage cheese. Full-fat, unsweetened, Greek yogurt, unsweetened, high-fat, nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, hemp seeds. Protein powders: whey isolate, collagen, bone broth protein, tofu and tempeh. For plant-based keto eaters, what to avoid. Even with a high-protein focus, certain foods can sabotage your keto efforts. Avoid these common pitfalls: processed meats high in additives, deli meats, flavored sausages, protein bars and shakes with hidden sugars, high-carb dairy products, flavored yogurts, low-fat milk, legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. Excessive lean proteins without enough fat, chicken breast with no added fats. Practical tips for success: prioritize quality protein. Opt for grass-fed, wild-caught, and organic sources whenever possible. Don't neglect healthy fats. Even on high-protein keto, you still need good fats like avocado, olive oil, and coconut oil. Track your macros. Use a food tracker app to ensure you're getting the right balance of protein, fat, and carbs. Stay hydrated. Protein metabolism requires more water, so drink plenty throughout the day. Listen to your body. If you feel fatigued or experience muscle loss, adjust your macros accordingly. A high-protein keto diet offers a powerful way to fuel your body, build strength, and stay satisfied while still enjoying the benefits of ketosis. Have you tried a high-protein approach to keto? Let us know your experience in the comments.